What if I told you that the next breakthrough innovation in your industry is sitting right in front of you, waiting to be unleashed by artificial intelligence, while your competitors are still brainstorming in boardrooms? AI-powered businesses are already testing, iterating, and launching game-changing products at lightning speed. In the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly how AI is compressing innovation cycles from years to months, and why the companies that master this transformation will dominate their markets. The traditional innovation pipeline is broken. Companies spend 18 months on market research, another year on product development, and then hope their solution still matters when it finally reaches customers. By then, market conditions have shifted, customer needs have evolved, and opportunities have vanished. This outdated approach is why 90% of new products fail, and why established companies lose market share to nimble startups. But artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of innovation entirely. AI doesn't just make existing processes faster. It fundamentally changes how businesses identify opportunities, develop solutions, and deliver value to customers. The companies leveraging AI for innovation aren't just moving faster, they're moving smarter. Let's start with opportunity identification. Traditional market research relies on surveys, focus groups, and historical data that's already outdated by the time it's analyzed. AI transforms this by processing real-time data from social media, customer interactions, search trends, and market signals simultaneously. Machine learning algorithms can identify emerging patterns and unmet needs before they become obvious to human researchers. Take Netflix as an example. Their AI systems analyze viewing patterns, pause points, rewind behaviors, and even the time of day people watch different content. This data reveals not just what people like, but what they're missing. Netflix doesn't just respond to viewer preferences. They predict them and create content that fills gaps viewers didn't even know existed. Similarly, AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can scan millions of customer reviews, social media posts, and support tickets to identify pain points across entire industries. These insights reveal innovation opportunities that traditional research methods would never uncover because they're buried in the noise of massive datasets. The ideation phase gets supercharged when AI enters the picture. Instead of relying solely on human creativity, businesses can use AI to generate thousands of potential solutions based on successful patterns from other industries, emerging technologies, and customer behavior data. AI doesn't replace human creativity. It amplifies it by providing more raw material to work with. Generative AI tools can produce multiple variations of product concepts, marketing strategies, and business models in minutes rather than weeks. These AI-generated concepts serve as starting points that human teams can refine, combine, and improve. The result is a much broader range of possibilities to evaluate and a significantly shorter ideation cycle. But here's where AI really shines: rapid prototyping and testing. Traditional product development requires building physical prototypes, conducting limited user tests, and making educated guesses about market reception. AI enables virtual prototyping, where you can test thousands of variations simultaneously using predictive models. Digital twins, powered by AI, allow companies to simulate how products will perform under different conditions without physical manufacturing. Automotive companies use AI-driven simulations to test vehicle designs in millions of crash scenarios before building a single prototype. Software companies use AI to predict user behavior and optimize interfaces before writing a single line of code. A/B testing gets exponentially more powerful with AI. Instead of testing two versions of a product feature, AI can test hundreds of variations simultaneously and automatically optimize based on real-time performance data. What used to take months of manual testing now happens in days with much more comprehensive results. Customer feedback analysis becomes instantaneous and comprehensive. AI can process customer reviews, support conversations, and usage data to identify exactly which features are working and which need improvement. This feedback loop allows for continuous iteration and improvement at a pace that was impossible with traditional methods. The manufacturing and production phase sees dramatic improvements through AI optimization. Predictive maintenance prevents costly downtime. Quality control systems catch defects before they reach customers. And supply chain optimization ensures materials arrive exactly when needed. AI doesn't just make production faster, it makes it more reliable and cost-effective. Smart manufacturing systems can adjust production parameters in real time based on material variations, environmental conditions, and quality metrics. This level of optimization ensures that new products meet specifications consistently from the very first production run. Perhaps most importantly, AI enables personalization at scale. Instead of creating one-size-fits-all products, businesses can now create variations that appeal to different customer segments without proportionally increasing development costs. AI analyzes customer data to understand preferences and automatically generates personalized experiences, products, or services. Amazon's recommendation engine is a perfect example of AI-driven personalization creating innovation opportunities. By understanding individual customer preferences, Amazon can introduce new product categories, optimize inventory, and even influence supplier relationships based on predicted demand patterns. The speed advantage compounds throughout the entire innovation cycle. While traditional companies are still in the research phase, AI-powered businesses have already launched, gathered market feedback, and iterated multiple times. This creates a sustainable competitive advantage that becomes harder to overcome as the gap widens. Risk mitigation is another crucial advantage. AI can predict potential failure points, market rejection scenarios, and technical challenges before they become expensive problems. Predictive analytics help businesses avoid costly mistakes and focus resources on the most promising opportunities. However, successful AI-driven innovation requires more than just implementing new technology. Companies need to build data infrastructure, train teams on AI tools, and create organizational processes that support rapid experimentation and iteration. The businesses that start this transformation now will have significant advantages over those that wait. The key is starting small and scaling gradually. Begin with one area of your innovation process. Implement AI tools, measure results, and expand based on what works. Whether it's using AI for market research, customer feedback analysis, or prototype testing. The important thing is to begin building AI capabilities now. The future belongs to businesses that can innovate faster, smarter, and more efficiently than their competition. AI provides the tools to achieve this transformation. But success depends on how quickly and effectively companies embrace these new capabilities. The innovation landscape is changing rapidly, and the companies that master AI-driven innovation will define the future of their industries. The question isn't whether AI will transform business innovation, but whether your company will be leading that transformation or struggling to catch up. If you found these insights valuable, make sure to like this video and share it with other business leaders who need to understand how AI is reshaping innovation. Subscribe to KB Bluetree for more deep dives into how artificial intelligence is transforming business operations and creating new opportunities for growth. What's your biggest innovation challenge right now? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss how AI might help you overcome it. The future of business innovation is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.